Hi, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, welcome, and please do hit the subscribe button. Please, thanks. So guys, today I want to try assemble something. I've never assembled anything in my life, well, except for my life. I feel like we've all have had to assemble. If you're a human being, you have. Maybe it could be from a breakup or grief or generally just life expectations. You know, these are the worst in my experience. So anyways, well, not really, but yeah, they're really bad. So anyways, today I want to assemble this shoe rack that I got over the weekend. My house is quite tiny and my shoes are getting on my nerves because they're just everywhere. So I bought this and try organize it. As I said, my house is very tiny, and I remember about like was it 2 months ago, I asked my landlady to like put shelves for me for like storage stuff. So because it's quite tiny and I've been living here for like a year now. You know, when you live somewhere, you like assume things, and now it's just bad. And then she straight up said no. I remember saying, how dare she? I'm leaving. One thing I learned from this is always insist on stuff, guys. I remember she said, flat said no, she's not adding anything to the house, which was like baffling to me because when you add stuff to the house, it's your house. You're only increasing its value. But anyways, she refused, and then like a month later, she was like, hey, so like your contract is coming to an end. Do you want to sign it again? I was like, I would love to, except the house is very small. If you added those shelves, I'd be more than happy to. She didn't even argue with me. She was just like, okay, would you like to measure the places you want the shelves? I was like, no, come measure it. But anyways, no man. She came around, yeah. And so now, like, I'm just also doing my part so that everything is just not everywhere. You know, when like when a place is cramped, I feel like your head is also cramped. Like, I just want nice and clear head, a clear house, clear head. So anyways, this is what I wanted to show you guys, share with you guys today. So I haven't even opened it. It's quite big. I don't even know how. All right. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. I don't think it's going to be too hard because I think of myself as quite a handy person. I fix the stuff around my house by myself, you know. Well, not everything. Okay, this was a bad idea. Remove it like that. Okay, it's out. All right. So I don't know if this comes with a manual. These are the stands. They're like kind of plasticky. Okay. This is one. They have like 3 of these. What do they call these? Like. 3 pieces. Number 1, screw the floor lever into the lower post. Oh God. This was not a good idea. Okay, well. Okay. Mark the post groove for the desired height. Then install the split sleeve into the groove. Okay, so I need these are 4. Perfect. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. Screw the 4 leveler into the lower post. Alright. Upper post. These drawings are really not the best, guys. And then where does this go? Oh, what's this even? That's so. I thought I was a handy person until now. Today. It turns out that I might not be as handy as I thought. Okay, but it's my first time. What are the chances that it's going to be like I'm gonna get everything spot on and everything is going to be successful? Really? Come on. Ah, okay. Why doesn't it fit perfectly? slide the shelf onto the bottom end along the post until it slides over. Okay, so maybe they're not faulty. Okay, it's my first time doing this, guys. Over, it slides, it should slide over this thing. So okay, so up. I had to take a break, guys, because this is getting a bit frustrating. But this thing's supposed to slide here. There's nothing easy about that, so I don't know, guys. I'm skipping steps and trying to improvise, and now, yeah. They say, you guys, they say not with the bottom end, down along the post until it slides over the sleeve. They say it as though it's the easiest thing. It doesn't look like it's the easiest thing. I know that the shelves are supposed to be the same. Wait, what? Oh! Okay. Yes, we found it. All right. Okay, but I kind of cheated with this one. I'm super bummed out. I was recording this on an app and I realized when I finished that I didn't save it, and so the recording of me assembling the entire thing after I figured it out is gone. I can't find it anywhere. I don't know what to do, guys, but I'm very proud of it. It doesn't look like, it looks a bit it looks like it's gonna fall. But I put it together. I figured out where to put everything except these. I really don't know what to do with these. And they are, how many are they? They are 6. I don't know where this is supposed to go because I've put everything. They don't even mention this anywhere on the in the manual. Anyways, it's standing. The shoes are there, so for now it's good, I think. But I'm not okay that you guys are not gonna see how I put it together. But anyways, let me show you how it looks. Oh, and please do subscribe. Thanks. Bye. So that's the finished thing. There's just too many flaws with this rack. First of all, it's too small because not all my shoes can fit in here. Just the heels and the flats and the palms are somewhere in a pigeonhole in my bed, and it's and then this hold. Too big for this tiny heels. And then the other thing is I couldn't fix it like properly. I feel like this white thing is supposed to go all the way in, but it can't. I don't know, maybe I don't have enough strength. I don't have a hammer to like fix it. That's what they said they use in the manual. But all in all, I'm very proud of myself. I've never put anything together and this looks quite alright to me. So anyways, thank you for coming. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't, please do consider subscribing. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have a lovely weekend. See you next time.